friends, guess what? In February, we're gonna be celebrating Black History Month. And this means that your teachers are gonna help you celebrate the contributions of Black Americans. At the end of the month, we're gonna have a school-wide assembly. But wait, there's more. All month long, you will have the opportunity to earn a raffle ticket. This raffle ticket will be entered into a contest for a chance to win a VIP experience at our school assembly. What do you get as a VIP? A very impressive person experience. Front row seating, showtime snacks, meet the cast of the show. How cool! How do you earn tickets? It's easy. Complete a task on the Black History Month choice board in your Google Classroom to earn a ticket. The more tasks you complete, the more tickets you earn, the better your chance of winning. At the end of the month, we will combine all the tickets and hold a school-wide lottery to choose the winners. So let's get started. I can't wait to see who my very impressive people will be.